Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. In this video, I'll be teaching you exactly how you can reverse a video in CapCut. Whether you are using the pro feature or you are using the free version of CapCut, don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you exactly how you can reverse your video. Maybe you make any pauses or any lapses and you want to reverse it. Take it down straight to the beginning. I will teach you exactly everything. Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething. If this is your first time watching us, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. So for this tutorial, we'll be using CapCut. So if you already have CapCut in your phone, good and fine. But if you don't, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut because we are doing this right now. So enter your CapCut app. Immediately you enter your CapCut app, you want to start a new project. But if you already have a video you are editing, good and fine, no stress. You can easily tap on that clip and start editing, start reversing your video. But if you don't, do it to start a new project so you can follow us up from the beginning. That's on the baseline, so you can understand everything we are doing. So now you want to start a new project. So start a new project, you want to look for the clip you want to edit. If it's picture, if it's video, but trust me, you cannot reverse picture now, right? So you want to reverse video. So let's select the video you want to edit. So let's say you want to edit this video over here. All you have to do after tapping on the video, you add it to your timeline. Now the video is on your timeline. You can scroll all over this video and you'll see the motion on this video. And now you want to reverse it. How do you reverse it? So instead of she moving forward, you will see her moving backward. So all you have to do is tap on the clip and you scroll at this down button and you will be looking for reverse. Don't forget, you will be tempted with so many features in CapCut, but the best way of editing is knowing the purpose of your edit. You can't just say you want to edit without having a purpose. That's why I'm a photographer, I'm a content creator, I'm a businessman. So when people come to me like, sir, Freething, I want to edit my video, I'll be like, what do you want me to edit in this video? So after you telling me what you want me to edit, that's where I will charge you. So it will not be like you just send me a video to edit. Without blind knowledge, I will start editing. What will I edit first of all if I don't know the problem you are bringing towards? So you have to know the real issue you are trying to edit before you can start editing. You can't just up on editing without knowing what you are doing. And mind you, CapCut is so tempting that you will see so many wonderful features that you will lose track. But the best way of editing is knowing what you are about to edit, and that's what makes editing beautiful. So right now you just keep scrolling at this down button. So when you get to the ending, you'll be like, you did not see any reverse here. That's why. Do you know the reason for that? Is because you did not tap on the clip. So once you tap on the clip, that will show exactly that this is what you want to edit for. So now let's scroll again. So scrolling this time, before you get to the ending, you will definitely see reverse. Are you seeing reverse over here? All you have to do is tap on reverse. So automatically CapCut will do its things, and from there the whole video will be processed and you will see the video will be on a reverse. So many people don't just start a video like this and reverse it. All you have to do, many times you click the particular side you want to reverse. So you cannot just put a video on the timeline then tap reverse. So this thing I just did is automatically an error, but I just did it so you don't know that reverse is simply a button. See, when they say reverse, doesn't mean you want to go and reverse the whole video. It's simply a button. All you have to do is just, after positioning the part you want to reverse, you just go and tap that button. So right now we have reversed the full video. If you look at it now, they brought the ending to the beginning. That's what reverse does. But now with this I just did now, it will just be like, you will not even understand the sole purpose of this reverse. So first of all, what will I be doing? I want to undo this. I just undo reverse, so maybe I can reverse a particular side so you can see exactly what I'm trying to say. So the video just got to this point, and what do I want to do? I tap on it and I split. So I want to reverse this beginning, so you will just see how it looks. So instead of them bringing the ending to the beginning, I don't want that. It will make my viewers very confused. It will make you as a beginner confused doing your edit. So right now you just tap on reverse and look at what we got here. So you see, she take, instead of she coming in that gallantly, this time she's not taking a step backward. But I want to try something. I want to try mirroring this. Maybe if I mirror it, whether if she will turn back. I haven't actually tried that before. I just want to try it now. Let me see if it will work. Like mirror, you know, if you are this way, when you mirror a video, you will come this way. I created a video about mirroring. You can check my previous video to watch how mirror does to your video. So let's mirror this reverse. Let's see how it will be like. So if you want to mirror your video, all you have to do is tap on it, then you look for transform. Look at transform here. Once you tap on transform, you see mirror over here. So you tap on mirror. So let's see how it goes. So okay, mirror does something more even different. So instead of the image coming from this angle, she is now going to this angle. So it depends on the scenario. As I have said, it depends on the edit you are editing. You cannot just use these features because you want to like try out CapCut features. You use the features because they are more paramount or more relevant at that particular time of your edit. So you use editing. I already say this, CapCut is so tempting. CapCut is so tempting with wonderful features. You just have to know the right time you want to use them. Now I have taught you how you can reverse your video, reversing your full video, reversing clip, splitting and reversing. And you can, if you already find the spot in your video you're about to reverse, you can simply go ahead and reverse that spot. And now all you have to do is just hit that spot and you get your first reverse video. So if this video helped you, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. Remember, we create useful and quality videos on how to edit, iPhone edit, and we bring hacks on how to make your editing look simple from beginner to pro. So if this video helped you, do it to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Create with Freething. See you on our next video. Bye, and please subscribe.